Understanding sandy soil in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase that often pops up in conversations about gardening, agriculture, and earth science: sandy soil. Have you heard of it before? Whether you're a language learner or just someone curious about English phrases, you'll find this video useful. So, let's get started and dig deep into what sandy soil really means. Sandy soil refers to a type of soil that has a high proportion of sand particles. It's one of the various types of soil that you might find in a natural environment or use in gardening. The main characteristic of sandy soil is its gritty texture, which is because sand particles are larger and coarser than other soil particles like silt and clay. When talking about sandy soil, it's also important to understand its drainage properties. Sandy soil drains water quickly, which can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. On one hand, it prevents plants from being waterlogged, but on the other hand, it may require more frequent watering since it doesn't retain moisture as well. In this section, let's explore the characteristics of sandy soil further. Sandy soil warms up quickly in the spring, and because of its drainage capabilities, it's less likely to become compacted. This means it's easier to work with for planting and construction purposes. However, its nutrient retention is lower than other types of soil, which can affect plant growth. The composition of sandy soil makes it light and loose, which allows roots to spread out easily. It's often found in areas like beaches, deserts, and riverbeds. Gardeners sometimes need to amend sandy soil with organic matter to make it better for plant growth. It's essential for learners to understand both sides of using sandy soil. Advantages: excellent drainage, quick to warm during the spring season, easy to cultivate and till, prevents root rot due to excess moisture. Disadvantages: poor water retention leading to frequent watering needs. Less fertile as it holds fewer nutrients. Can be dry and rough, affecting the growth of certain plants. Sandy soil is not just a term for gardeners, it has various applications. It's often used in construction for creating bases and backfills, recreational areas like golf courses and beaches, agriculture where certain crops, like carrots and potatoes, thrive in loose soil, improving soil mixtures by providing aeration and drainage. That's all for our discussion on sandy soil today. I hope you found this video informative and that it adds to your understanding of English phrases, especially if you're interested in subjects like gardening or agriculture. Remember, knowing these specific terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you understand cultural and practical aspects of English-speaking countries. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.